What it do is Showbeezy, the Shoboat, and you know wrestling has always kind of ran parallel with hip hop and rappers since the WWF days because of the machismo, the flair, the braggadociousness, the lifestyle, and what have you. With Ric Flair and the Million Dollar Man, Ted DiBiase, Macho Man, and so on and so on. And the Migos have always shown their support for the WWE by hosting and participating in some of their events and popping up at some of the matches. Offset even has his Ric Flair Drip song that features Ric Flair in the music video. Well, Quavo, Lil Yachty, and P, the CEO of their label QC, all went to WWE Bad Blood, and we got some of the views from the event. So like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next video I drop. Now let's check it out.
Yeah, I'm about to the champion belt, baby. Open them up? Yeah, we're gonna open them up.
Get up!
Get out the way!
Get a knock Rock out. Get up, Rock.